sister. Do you know how old she is?
What do you mean how old she is? She's 22.
No, she's not. Tell him your age.
Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are we all doing? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are doing great. Area all the team Nigeria.tv, all my beautiful, my handsome, my mommy, my daddy, my uncle, my auntie, my brother, my sisters in the house. Thank you all for your support. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. My people, I would love us to watch this particular video. It was so touched. It was something else. I would love to play the video first before I drop my opinion. Feel free to drop your opinion. I'm a mom. I am a sister to a brother. Me watching this video, it touched me and it breaks my heart. Let's watch this video.
My sister, do you know how old she is?
What do you mean how old she is? She's 22.
No, she's not. Tell him your age.
What do you mean you're 15? You told me you're 22
I
yesterday.
needed to get in the club and I thought maybe if I told you my age you'd snitch, so...
You showed me an ID card now.
How old are you, sorry?
I'm 26. You showed me an ID card yesterday. What ID card
26 years
is this?
old. She's
I
15.
needed to get in the club.
I don't understand this.
She's 15.
She showed me an ID card. I asked her for ID card. Why?
I've called the cops.
And I thought...
What do you mean you've called the cops?
I've called them. They're coming.
Oh
26 years old.
Madam, can you
No.
put the camera down? Put the
No, I'm not putting the
Oh
camera
my
down. This is my
God.
sister. She's only 15.
Why did you do this now, young kid?
I needed to be in the club and I needed...
D.
But you know I'm raising two boys, man.
D.
You know I'm raising two boys.
Oh, he's done, fam. Yeah.
But is he done?
Yeah, he's done, fam.
Why the hell would you lie?
Oh.
Why the hell would you do that? So, alright, cool.
Oh.
Tell me,
Man,
yeah?
that's peak.
What should our brothers do to prevent ourselves from being in that situation? You saw her ID. Do you get it? Give me your driving license. Let me see.
Let me see.
And you've been drinking your yak like everyone's lit. You've seen the driving license, but you're the bad person. And this is disgusting behavior. If the sister has her location, when you see your 15-year-old sister is not coming home, why'd your 15-year-old sister not at home? So now we must penalize the guy?
Yeah. That's a sticky one, my bro.
Like, can we please train our children? Because I'm raising two sons here. Do you get it?
Yeah.
I would hate for my boys to be in this situation
Same.
where the girl has showed them their ID. Like, what?
Yeah.
This goes to the whole like digital ID thing, you know.
As well.
Like when you start thinking about it.
Okay, my people, I hope you guys watch the video and the reaction went further, take place. The video was disturbed. The video was touched. This Oibo, Kenyan people call it Muzugu. We call it Oibo in our side. This young lady and this one of our brother, Africa brother, maybe fall in love with her. They go out for a date. Then this young lady pretend to be 22, whereas she's 15 years. Then use her own senior sister ID to get this guy. Now, her senior sister female the guy. Oh God, so you might be when God will punish you guys. God, have mercy on me, forgive me. So you might be when you guys will be creating, acting, plan your barbaric acts. You will not think about what about is your son, what about is your brother. I believe these two Mozugu or these two Oibo, they are racist. They are the type who don't like black. Let me put it like that. That is how I say it. Or maybe they are not racist. Maybe the senior sister like the guy. The guy doesn't give him attention. He liked the younger one. Or he used the younger one to get this guy. Maybe. I don't know. Or maybe just see this guy. She's upset about this guy. She just tried to look for a way to get to this guy. To put this guy in trouble. A guy, he was so careful. How old are you? I want to see your ID. You confirm to the guy you are 22. You show the guy ID. The guy now believe you. Oh, this girl, she's 22. I can go further. We can have something, you understand, relationship. Behold, where I'm suspecting that her senior sister hand is inside is because your sister, according to the first reaction, your sister have not been at home for the maximum time she's supposed to be. You don't talk anything. Before you see, you hold camera, you are filming, you are telling the guy that you already call police or who you call to come and arrest the guy. Okay, let's put it like this now, my people. Did you support for police to arrest this guy? Is this guy wrong, or they're supposed to arrest the girl and her elder sister? There is some law that is taking place in Western world. I disagree. I don't like it. I have a brother, I have a son. Nobody wants to see her son or her, her brother to pass through this kind, wickedness. Judge will sit down and judge this guy to sentence him in prison for abuse underage. When they set him up, they set this guy up. This guy asked, where is your ID? Then this lady bring her ID 22. Then a guy like this, is he a witch or is he a god? So confirm that this girl, she's underage. Who they're supposed to charge? Because these two sisters, they are wicked. I know this is the one we see. Do you know a lot of our brother who they have used dicks to sentence to life imprisonment? Do you know a lot of our brother who they set them up to take them to prison? Did you know how many? Is this one we just see? Why human being we are so wicked, heartless? Human being like you. You are planning evil. You say you are 22, whereas you are 15 years. I don't even go to, I wish I go to school. Case like this, I will sentence that senior sister and that sister to prison. Yes. What human being do to you? What our color do to you? We are too unique. Black, you can't find it in anywhere. If I want to become Mozugu today, then I can become Mozugu, automatic. But no Mozugu can ever become black. We are too unique. It's time for some of those racist Mozugu to wake up from their sleep. See human being like you. You are planning to put him in a prison, in a cell. Not in open his two eyes to abuse underage. No. You plan with your sister. Who does that? What is this now? My people, when I watch this video, how can somebody be educate their children again? You educate your son. Before you say I do, the moment your son reach teenage, get it to adult, you will start lecturing them. Don't go with underage. Don't do this. Before you do anything, tell the girl to show you, his resident, his driving license. Then after all those lectures, there will some negative, wicked, heartless people. They will still find their way. Baba God, no need, please. So, my people, I would love to see the part 2 of this video. To see how the judge judged this boy. To see what the judge will talk about this boy. I would like to see if police will really handcuff this guy. Wait till I know say abuse. And no one do. You fox her, Abi? Okay. I'm 15 years. You still fox. That is what I know say. Law supposed to they take place. So, not girl who forged it. Forged it with her sister to get to the guy. And the guy is not even too young, old. He's 26. He's still young. If it is Africa, they will even slap his head. Sometimes I love my Africa. African girl, they will even beat her up. 15 years, you are claiming 22 to get to the guy bed or to get to her to put, they will beat her. They will place her where she belongs. Because this is wickedness. When I see this, according to that 2 men who react, if you have a son, you have a children, you will never want those things to happen to anybody children. Talk about your child. And this kind of acts, if wicked acts take place, you don't criticize it, you clap hand on it. The one that we do, the one that will reach your door, it will be more works. My people, I don't know what to say. I was so upset. Let me know what you think about this. I will never blame this our brother. I blame these 2 sisters. They know what they are doing. Let's set this guy up to get this guy. Whether they are racist or whether the senior sister need the guy never give her attention. That is how I see it. I pray this guy don't land in prison. May God protect all of us, all our children, our brothers, our sisters, our daughters. May God protect our loved ones. Because the evils in this world now, it's only God that will rescue his children. We live by the grace of God, not by our power. You go outside, you come inside hard with peace. Don't say it's your power because there is evils outside. when they are planning for your downfall. A 26 years old girl go out with 22. What is different? 4 years different. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. It was so touching story. It was so touching story. I hope this guy find his way out from this case. I hope he win. And I pray may Heavenly Father, who creates heaven and earth, stand by him and disgrace those two sisters. The girl who accept that, yes, I show you the ID card that I'm 22, but it's my sister. Whoa, I wish it's Nigeria. This boy will panel beat you. Huh? He will beat you, he will place you where you belong, but Western world, they don't dare you. That is why. Something that take place, I will repeat it again. They don't born you. In my Nigeria, you try it. They will place you where you belong. People who is evil victims, they are still putting them inside inside where they're not supposed to be talk about you. You understand? This is wickedness. Now, let me know, how did you think now we will educate our children? By educating your children, before you say yes, make sure you see. And now, how did you, I want to see my people, educate me more, me to see my brother pass through this thing. No. God forbid, we never near any of my loved one. Any human being, I don't wish them to witness something like this. Talk about my loved one, God forbid, I rebuke them. Any evil plan, any evil eye, may God push them away from his children. Before you come out, always pray. Before you say, always pray. Always call your God. Anything that will lead us to problem, may God push us away. People are wicked. People are wicked. That is what they say, women. Not be all women. I will not have that type of heart. I'm not a beast. I'm a human. I think if it is me, how we feel. We should train our children with love and care. You understand? We should train them. Imagine this thing happened to you. How you will feel. Why are you doing this? We should train our children like that. My people, this story touched me. It touched me, you know. Yes, I use my sister to... Yes, that is not my business. That is supposed to be my business. As far as I know, the boy know that he's 22. This way. Thank you all for watching. Drop your opinion. I appreciate each and every one of you. Bye-bye. Ciao.